How you doing? I'm Michael Stricklin with Stricklin PorterConstruction. Here we are at Clairmont, lot 65. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,275 square foot total living house. As you can see, it's very open. We have a 2-car garage here. Let's check it out. Let's go in. So here we are inside the living area. You have a nice gas fireplace over here. As you can see, the kitchen area's across from me. There's a nice little office space off of the kitchen area. Nice and peaceful, big windows looking at the pasture behind. Not a lot of action back there, so it's not a lot of disturbances for working from home. So lot 65 sits at the back of Clairmont. It's off the main street, probably about as far as you're going to be able to get in Clairmont from Rollins Road. The garage leads straight across the street into the alley, so getting into your garage and getting out of your garage should be an easy task. So on your back patio, it's plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. If you're looking for a nice outdoor entertainment area during football season or anytime you're trying to entertain your friends, let us know. We are a Bull distributor. We can get you some outdoor appliances and fix you right up. Well, that's it for Clairmont Lot 65. If you guys are interested in it, hit us up at StricklinPorter.com. Check us out on Facebook, any of the social media websites you can find us. Call us at 225-612-2400. If you like this home, come by and see us. It's a great home. It's going to be a nice open floor plan. I like it. I know you will.